BMW X6 M Competition goes up to 800 horsepower thanks to G-Power. Creating immensely powerful cars for the road seems like what G-Power should write on its business cards. The German tuner has been around a long time, making outrageously fast cars that push the boundaries of performance. The moment you see that badge GE in your rearview mirror, you know it's time to get out of the way or lose painfully to a much more powerful rival on the Autobahn. Some cars are incredibly fast and powerful from factory, which is especially true in the case of the BMW X6 M Competition as well. You get skeptical of its performance, due to its size and weight, and nobody would judge you. SUVs of this size shouldn't be this fast either in a straight line or in the bends. And yet, somehow, the BMW X6 M is both, which just doesn't seem possible. If you take it to G-Power, though, things get even better. The stock X6 M Competition has 625 horsepower and 750 Nm, 553 pounds-to-foot, of torque, numbers good enough for any kind of scenario. The G-Power version we're checking out here has 800 horsepower instead of 950 Nm, 700 pounds-to-foot, of torque, thanks to a Stage 3 upgrade. What does that entail?